often have confusions when it comes to defining quality assurance, quality control, and quality system management or quality management. Are these terms same? We will try to understand the answer of this question in this section. But first of all, I want to give you some tasks. Can you identify or distinguish which among these tasks falls into the category of quality assurance, quality control, or quality system management or quality management? First one is inspection of finished product. Is it a quality assurance job, quality control job, or quality management, or does it fall in the sector of total quality management? Creating work instructions, yearly management reviews, creating specifications, in-process reviews, quality check of raw materials, checking quality of packaging materials, compliance with legal affairs, establish communication channel, working with infrastructure for delivering quality, and quality audits. There is a difference between quality control, quality assurance, and quality management system or QMS. Before the birth of quality control and quality assurance techniques or total holistic concepts of total quality management, the concept of inspections was first created. The concept of inspection gave rise to the quality control approaches in the industrial era. But the very concept of inspection to distinguish between the products with good quality and products with bad quality started in the early medieval period around 1300 BC in Europe. Different techniques of quality improvement gradually developed till we reached the 1920s, where different concepts of quality control were established. It was the time when the concepts of control charts and statistical quality control approaches were introduced. Then the birth of quality assurance concepts with the concepts of sampling, by which the quality of the finished product could be checked in times of the Second World War, took place during 1950s. Then in 1980s, after America established the concepts of the total quality management and quality management system, taking the lessons from Japanese counterparts, the birth of total quality control, total quality management, and quality management system or QMS occurred. The year after 2000s were even more prolific and suitable for quality management system because of the revisions of the international ISO standards and recognition of people and their work with different awards and addition of new concepts like risk management. So we can see here clearly that the concepts of QC, QA, and QMS were started in different time periods in the history. I had given you a task to distinguish different activities or to spot out whether those activities falls under the sphere of quality management system, quality assurance, or quality control. In fact, all of these tasks can be put inside the quality management system because quality management system incorporates both quality assurance and quality control. Quality management system relates to the all organizational process, that means process of overall company and products. Quality assurance manages and verifies if the product and process meets the requirement, and quality control verifies if all product and services meet requirements. So what is the difference between quality control and quality assurance? As you see from here alone, quality assurance verifies and manages both products and processes. The quality control, on the other hand, verifies only the products and services. So it is not looking after the overall process. So when we manage and verify the overall process, the activities fall in the sphere of quality assurance. We will try to understand this further with different examples in the related lectures in the coming session. First of all, let's start with quality assurance. So what is quality assurance? Quality assurance have different notions and different definitions in different books, and these all are true in one way or other. Let's see the first definition. Quality assurance is a way of establishing that product would be fit for purpose. Fit for purpose here means fit for the customer's requirement. Another way of defining quality assurance is it is a way of ensuring that quality requirements would be fulfilled. This sounds quite similar. It's a way of ensuring that product will be made right every time, and we can also say that it's the system of ensuring that product will be compliant to customers' requirement. All of these definitions are quite similar to each other. So in quality assurance, we try to ensure that all the requirements are fulfilled according to the customer's needs or customer's requirement. As there are different definitions of quality assurance, let us follow this one given by ISO 9001 standard. This definition is given in ISO 9001 clause 3.2.11. Quality assurance is a part of quality management system focused on providing confidence that quality requirements will be fulfilled. So it's a part of quality management system. And what does it do? It focuses on providing confidence so that quality requirements according to the need of customers will be fulfilled. So it tries to control and manage every system or processes so that the required quality requirements will be fulfilled. There are different approaches and works involved in quality assurance. This could be the training, change control, audits, standard operating procedures, doing the qualifications work, doing the validation of the process, making specifications, and if there are any improvement activities as suggested by audits, performing the CAPA or corrective actions and preventive actions. So all these activities falls inside the sphere of quality assurance. As we studied before, quality assurance looks after the process as a whole, and quality control looks after the definite product and definite service. Quality assurance is a much holistic and a broad term. Let us now define the quality control. Quality control as defined by ISO 9001 standard clause 3.2.10 states that quality control is a part of quality management system focused on fulfilling the customer's requirement. We saw earlier that the quality management system incorporates both the quality assurance and quality control. So it's a part of quality management system, and basically it's focused on fulfilling the customer's requirement as the quality assurance also does. Quality control is reviewing quality factors that may affect or that may be involved in the production. It is a product oriented activity. So basically we may be quite clear now. Quality assurance is process oriented and quality control is product oriented. There are different activities involved in quality control, such as testing and inspection of the raw materials, testing and inspection of the finished materials, testing and inspection of the packaging materials, checking for any non-conformance from the specification, taking actions for non-conformance, and checking inspections of the in-process materials. So what are raw materials, finished materials, packaging materials, and in-process materials? It is quite obvious from the name itself. Raw materials are those materials which have not gone inside the processing, and in-process materials are those raw materials that have already gone inside the production for addition of the value, but these aren't in the form of finished product. So these are called the in-process material. We also call the in-process material work in progress or WIP. So what's the difference between quality assurance and quality control? By now, we might have learned some differences, but let's summarize these differences in this lecture. First of all, quality assurance is process focused. It helps in the prevention of the defects. It is a proactive approach, which means it's a building of system so that defects do not occur. And it's a staff function. Quality assurance helps in building in the quality. Similarly, quality control is product focused. It helps in the detection of the defects, unlike the quality assurance which helps in the prevention of defects. So for this reason, it is reactive approach and it's a line function. The main function of quality control being the detecting the defects and then taking out the defects from the product. And main function of quality assurance is building the quality in the process. In the earlier lecture, we studied about the differences between quality control and quality assurance. So what is quality management system? We learned in the first lecture itself that quality management system is the holistic approach which combines both the quality control and quality assurance. In fact, it is the combination of quality planning, quality control, quality assurance, and quality improvement. So, along with quality control and quality assurance, it also involves the aspects of planning and improvement. By quality improvement in quality management systems, we mean continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is also called Kaizen. Along with the notion of continuous improvement and proper planning and a sound management of quality control and quality assurance, we have the sound quality management system. I had given you a task earlier to distinguish between different works. Can you now reorder them on the basis of where they fall? Do they fall in quality assurance, quality control, or quality management system? You may pause the video and work on a rough piece of paper. Okay, let me now categorize these tasks according to the sector they fall. The first space on the leftmost side is for quality control. So for the quality control, the activities of inspection and testing of the finished product, quality check of the raw materials, in-process reviews, and checking quality of the packaging materials. These sort of tasks fall inside the sphere of quality control. Then inside the sphere of quality assurance, the tasks that falls are creating work instructions, creating specifications, and quality audits. Except these tasks in quality control and quality assurance, we also have many tasks. This is just the example for your taste. Similarly, in quality management system, the activities such as yearly management reviews, formation of the policies, compliance with legal affairs, and working with the infrastructure for delivering quality, and establishing the communication channel for better communication. This sort of activities falls inside the sphere of quality management system. In the next lecture, we will study in depth about the quality management system. Thank you so much for being with me till this point.